Nearly a week has passed since the dramatic Starship Flight 7 mission, and the world is still buzzing with reactions. But while many focus on the fiery explosion of Ship 33, there's a deeper story here, one that goes beyond the headlines and challenges the narrative of disaster. Was this flight a failure or a calculated step in SpaceX's relentless march toward innovation? Today, we're diving into the data, the aftermath, and what it all means for the future of Starship. Let's start with the moment that captured global attention: the explosion of Ship 33, a massive rocket, painstakingly refined and upgraded, reduced to a fiery spectacle in the skies. For some, it was a shocking failure. For others, a testament to SpaceX's bold, iterative approach. And while the booster, Ship 14, performed flawlessly and needs little discussion, all eyes were on Ship 33. From the very beginning, just 90 seconds into the flight, something unexpected happened. A protective shield made of an unidentified material detached from the rocket and fluttered away. While this didn't directly cause the explosion, it highlighted a vulnerability. Such a flaw, if left unchecked, could jeopardize future missions, especially cargo flights. Hopefully, SpaceX will address this in the next iteration, but that was only the beginning. At the 8-minute mark, a troubling sign emerged. One of Ship 33's sea-level Raptor engines failed. Flames became visible on the hull, hinting at a fire already underway. While minor flames near engine vents can be normal, their persistence in this case spelled trouble. Shortly after, 2 more engines failed. By this point, it was clear that something was seriously wrong. Then telemetry updates ceased. At 8 minutes and 27 seconds, the live data froze, leaving the world to speculate. The answer came quickly, thanks to footage shared across social media. Ship 33 had lost control and disintegrated in a spectacular explosion. Witnesses reported streaks of light cutting across the sky and a rare jellyfish effect as debris re-entered Earth's atmosphere. The cause? Preliminary findings suggest a gas leak. Elon Musk later revealed that an oxygen fuel leak in the engine compartment built up pressure beyond the system's capacity to vent. This flaw proved catastrophic. But here's where it gets interesting. While the explosion was dramatic, SpaceX insists that much of the flight's objectives were met. The data collected is invaluable, and many of the issues have already been identified. This iterative process is core to SpaceX's philosophy: fail fast, learn faster. However, the aftermath hasn't been without controversy. The FAA quickly announced an investigation, citing the need to evaluate the incident and issue corrective actions. The agency's statement on January 17th confirmed that no injuries were reported and only minimal property damage occurred. Yet reports surfaced of debris landing outside the designated area, sparking concerns among residents of the Turks and Caicos Islands. Local authorities and even the UK Space Agency joined the investigation. Residents were urged to avoid handling debris, particularly the distinctive hexagonal thermal protection tiles. These findings raised questions about SpaceX's safety protocols. The FAA activated a debris response area and briefly halted flights in the vicinity, causing delays and diversions for dozens of aircraft. Critics questioned why the airspace wasn't fully closed from the outset, but it's worth noting that Starship's altitude during the explosion, over 90 miles above Earth, posed no immediate risk to commercial flights cruising at around 7 miles high. SpaceX has emphasized that all debris fell within the planned hazard zone, and any surviving fragments landed in the ocean. Still, the FAA's investigation will require SpaceX to address these issues before Starship returns to the skies. This includes implementing new safety measures to prevent similar incidents in future flights. The environmental impact of the explosion has also drawn scrutiny. Bright flashes and falling debris sparked concern among some observers. However, SpaceX maintains that its operations prioritize safety and environmental responsibility. The company has already begun reviewing flight data and identifying areas for improvement. This rapid response highlights SpaceX's ability to adapt and innovate, even in the face of setbacks. Let's not forget the bigger picture. Ship 33 represented a significant leap forward in Starship's evolution. It featured redesigned forward flaps for better aerodynamics, upgraded avionics for improved reliability, and an optimized methane piping system for more efficient fuel delivery. These advancements bring SpaceX closer to its ultimate goal, creating a fully reusable rocket system capable of transporting humans and cargo to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. As preparations for Flight 8 get underway, SpaceX is applying the lessons learned from Flight 7. Engineers are addressing issues like engine reliability and fire suppression, while infrastructure upgrades at Starbase continue. A second launch tower is under construction, designed to enhance the efficiency of future launches. This expansion reflects SpaceX's long-term vision of making space travel more accessible and routine. But what about the critics? Some argue that SpaceX's aggressive approach to testing comes at too high a cost. Others believe that the risks are justified by the potential rewards. After all, innovation is rarely a smooth journey. Every failure provides an opportunity to learn and improve. So, was the explosion of Ship 33 truly a disaster? Or could it be seen as a stepping stone toward something much greater? The truth, as it often does, lies somewhere in between. While the flight didn't go entirely as planned, the immense amount of data collected from this event will undoubtedly fuel future progress. SpaceX has demonstrated an unparalleled ability to learn from setbacks, turning failures into opportunities and challenges into milestones. This philosophy is what sets SpaceX apart, consistently pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of aerospace engineering. The narrative around Ship 33's explosion has been a mix of concern and curiosity. To some, it appeared to be a failure, a dramatic end to a promising mission. But to others, especially those familiar with SpaceX's iterative approach, it was an essential step forward. Each test flight, successful or not, reveals critical insights that bring us closer to realizing the dream of sustainable, affordable, and reliable space travel. And this isn't just about technical achievements, this is about redefining humanity's future among the stars. As we look ahead to Flight 8 and beyond, one thing becomes abundantly clear. SpaceX isn't slowing down. If anything, they're accelerating. Each test, each experiment, each bold leap forward adds another layer to the foundation of a future where space travel becomes as routine as catching a flight at your local airport. Yes, setbacks like the one we witnessed with Ship 33 are inevitable, but they are also integral to achieving something truly groundbreaking. Greatness is never achieved without challenges, and SpaceX's willingness to face these head-on is a testament to their unwavering commitment to progress. The upcoming flights, including Ship 34, will no doubt incorporate lessons learned from Ship 33's explosion. From improving engine reliability to refining fire suppression systems, every tweak and adjustment will make the next iteration of Starship more capable, more resilient, and closer to the vision Elon Musk and his team have for the future. SpaceX is also investing in infrastructure, building additional launch towers, and enhancing ground systems to support their ambitious goals. It's not just about fixing what went wrong, it's about building a framework that ensures each future mission reaches new heights. But let's not forget the bigger picture here. Ship 33's journey, as dramatic as it was, serves as a reminder of just how far we've come and how far we still have to go. SpaceX is not just creating rockets, they're inspiring a generation, reigniting humanity's passion for exploration, and challenging the status quo. They're proving that failure is not the opposite of success, but a critical part of the journey toward it. Can these challenges propel SpaceX closer to making Starship the game-changing spacecraft it's destined to be? Or do they underscore the risks of moving too fast in the pursuit of ambitious goals? The debate is as fascinating as the journey itself, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash subscribe for more jaw-dropping space updates, and join us as we embark on a cosmic journey like never before.